every day you to ask a simple puzzle questions like that, and this is quite simple. You can win COC VIP account, Edible VIP account plus Bullet Force and Hot Star Premium account also. So whenever anyone give the right answer, he will the winner. So actually how to do this? So let's just go to the header of the page, and there you can see guys RAN, and below the RAN just click advance. Whenever click on visit site and just go there, and whenever it will open, you can see in a URL the last three word you have to remember it as like PPA. After just come back and just go down, and you can see there is our puzzle questions. You have to solve this, and just as soon as you solve, just go there and you can see RAN IP registration. So just click on that. Again it will open, and remember last word as like only W. So and after solve the question, now you can comment guys. Just go to the comment section. You can see guys lots of people used to comment there, so you can also comment there. And just go write your first three digit like PPA and W. Now this is our code, and after that you can put your whatever you will be answer. So this is quite simple guys. I will recommend just go for it, and you can win Edible Pool COC VIP account, and I will choose the winners who will come first. So just go for it. Bye bye. Hi friends, so let's begin guys. Today we're going to talk about how to hack Edible Pool, and this is insane hack. So just go for it guys. So first of all, whenever you install this mod, it will say to subscribe all of my theory channel. So you just have to subscribe me to enable and activate to fair play guys this game. Otherwise this game will lot of work and you will get a lot of issue. So if you already my subscriber, then thank you so much for your support, and if you're not, then just go and subscribe. This is only take 2 to 3 minutes. After that, just open the game guys. Now the game is opening, so just wait it to be open, and now the game is opening. So just wait it to be open guys. Once you open the game, you will see the magic. Now it's loading. It will take some time to load because there is overload. You can see that now our game is open, and above you can see you on the 5 tournament, you on the 10 25 tournament, you on the 50 tournaments, you on the 100 tournaments. So guys, I have unlocked all the award achievement. That's insane guys. So you can see guys 200 wins. So I'm just gonna show you guys this is actually or not. So just go to my profile, and before it you can see guys I never play any matches. You can see guys I never play any matches, zero play. Wait a minute guys, let me show you guys this is the updated version. You can see I never play any matches, games on 0.0. But go back and go to the section and just go and let me show you this is the updated version. So you can see guys the updated version 3.10.0. so this is the updated version guys. So just go for it. Now let me show you my achievement guys. So whenever you can see guys tournament 5 win, this is the real working method. But whenever you log in through your Facebook ID, you will get also unlocked 5 more points. So this is quite easy guys. Now let me play some matches and let me show you guys no guidelines. So guys also you will get a guidelines arrow with no guideline issue. So let me play and let me show you guys this is working or not. So you can see guys in no guideline issue you will also get a guideline. So I hope this is really insane, and if you want to download a limited guidelines trick, then there is a link in my description. Just go there and download also, because I have tomorrow last night I also hacked the limited guidelines. So let me win this match. I hope that you guys will like this because this is insane. And again I'm saying, now you are thinking, and what about unlimited cash and coins hack? So I will release it very soon. But before it guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this hack, and if you want unlimited hack, I meant to say unlimited coins, unlimited cash, then sorry guys, unlimited guidelines. So also there is a link in my description. This is only award mode. So there is a link, there is a 2 modes in my description. So just go there and you can enjoy this hack. So guys, this is insane. I hope you guys will enjoy this, and if this video will get 2k likes, I will release the unlimited hack mode also. So you can see guys on the no guideline mode you also use the guidelines, and now we are player Rafael Wale. Oh my god, he is so insane. And okay guys, so now I hope you guys will enjoy this hack. So this is really insane guys. So what I'm saying guys, I'm saying about unlimited guidelines. Yeah guys, unlimited guidelines link in my description from where you can download it. This is a partial guidelines, and this is the award mode. Again I'm saying, don't be confused guys, there is a 2 mode in my description. In first one you will get award mode, you will unlock all the awards. Second guidelines, in which second mode in which you will get unlimited guidelines. What the fuck, anyway guys, let's do it, and I hope you guys will enjoy this hack. So if you really enjoy this hack, then just thumb up guys, because I need your support. Just like the video, because whenever you like the video, it will increase my intensity and I will able to make more interesting videos for you. I hope you guys will always win from this, because this is quite good. So thanks for watching, thanks for your love. I will release the So let's talk about how to download, guys. You can see, guys, downloading link is unlocked, but don't worry about it. Just go, you can see there is a poster below the downloading link, so just click at once there and it will open in the next page. So just go to the next page, click on a URL and just remember the last 3 words like NQW, because in the game while it may be asked, you have to verify. After that, just click on a first option like Facebook page, it will open in a Facebook. So just go there and click on like Facebook, because more than 10k people likes my Facebook page. After that, just click on Dr. Ryan, it will open in direct YouTube. So just go there, click on subscribe and click on do notification on, and again click on the second link, it will also open in a YouTube. So just go there, click on subscribe button, click on do notification on. Now come back and click on the third option, it will also open in a YouTube. So just go there, click on subscribe button and click on do notification on. Now you can see, guys, the downloading link is unlocked, so you can just go for it. This is quite simple. So just open it, will open in a media file and you can easily download this. So just follow this instruction like you are making.